Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I am in Awka and I have Jesy with me and I have Nigerian with me. So Jesy is a YouTuber based in Awka, and by the end of the video I'm gonna let her introduce herself and tell you guys what he does in her YouTube channel. But today what we're gonna be doing today is like we're on a street food hut in Awka, just to show you guys how Nigerian street food looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy this one. Right now we are in this buka shop. What are they selling?
Fio.
Okay.
She sells fio.
So
it's like a local beans.
Okay.
Well, not beans.
Okay.
She makes it with yam, and she has Awka, and then she has sauce that she puts on it with common.
Okay. So guys, we are gonna try this thing and see how it tastes. So this is Nigeria's street food for you. I hope you guys enjoy this one. We should be eating this thing here.
No, we're going to eat in the car.
In the car?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense in the car. We should start eating it.
No.
That's street.
No,
we are eating it in the street. No, we are eating in the street. That's why it's called street food.
This we make it.
This is really nice as well. Right now we want to try another street food. So let's go inside and see what they got. And right here we have Eboh soup. So this is bitter leaf with a gari. That's a popular food in Nigeria, bitter leaf. Then we have pomo, that's a cow skin. And right here the girls are having ora soup, which is also very popular in southeastern Nigeria. And what are you guys having? Is this semovita? Okay, semovita. And what about, okay, they have, I can see some stocked fish. Okoroko, aka in Eboh language. Then we have beef, right? Yeah, there's beef there. Then okoroko, these are stocked fish and some vegetables.
Yes, dry fish too.
Yeah.
It was great, especially the Awka, top notch.
So guys, we're done from Eboh's kitchen. Right now we're heading to another location. Right now we just stopped at a cocktail bar called Fendi's. We want to have some cocktail and let's see what they got inside.
Okay. Fendi's, the best cocktail bar in Awka.
The best
cocktail bar in Awka.
Corona.
It has no other place sells cocktail like this. Best.
Really? Cheers.
Cheers, man.
So guys, I'm enjoying my cocktail and right now we're about to leave Fendi's, heading to another location. Awka have been very awesome. Jesy, she's a very good chef and she's running a kitchen. What's the name of the kitchen again?
Ched Food.
Ched Food. What about in Instagram? How can they find it?
Ched Food on Instagram. Ched Food. CHED, then food.
Then food. Okay, yeah. Ched Food on Instagram. She has an amazing food. Let's try this food out. We have to try this out.
So this is small chops and I'm like your plug for small chops in Awka. So we're going to try. It's basically food in bowls. You can order food in bowls, but this is spring rolls, samosa, puff, and gizzard. I have the one that comes with chicken, and this costs like 500. Then the one that comes with chicken costs 600. So try, because I've tried it a lot of times.
So what's this one?
That's gizzard.
Gizzard.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna try this out.
We've eaten so much today. We've eaten so much today. So this is.
So what about what's this one?
This is spring rolls. This is samosa, and this is mosa. This is made with plantain, and this is normal puff.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one out.
Yeah, that's
Musa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Made with flour and plantain.
And plantain, or sometimes you can use banana.
I like that taste.
So you can also try the spring rolls. This is the spring rolls, and this is the samosa.
My mouth is full. I think I'm gonna take it home.
I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it home then. Now you wanna try? You wanna try?
You want to try musa? It's so nice. I swear.
Daddy, when Kwabi?
Can't get it. Abacha na gini?
Only abacha now. That's the other.
Oh, okay. Can you get with the one I get now?
Only abacha we had available.
It's your bar where?
Anyone will mama I want to
so abacha na gini can you get what I am?
Onions.
Guys, that's the end of the vlog for today. I hope you guys really enjoy it. So Jesy, what do you have to say?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, I'm gonna link his YouTube website at the description below, so try to check it out. She got an amazing content. It's all about Southeastern, Southeastern content, so go try to check it out. Okay guys, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. I will see you guys next time I talk to you. Peace out. God, they want me.